Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. We are doing a one brand review on First Aid Beauty. I can't even pick it up, a lot of their products in front of me. I've been using the brand for a little over 2 years now, so some of these products are literally 2-year reviews. Some of these products, oh, I forgot one. Some of these products, I actually don't have anymore because I've just used them over and over. So if I don't have them, I'll put them on the screen, but 90% of the products I actually have in front of me. So if you enjoy these one brand tutorials, it's not even a tutorial, there's lint in my mouth. One brand reviews, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know some of the brands you would like me to review. Let's start with one of the newer products I've been trying. I've been using this for about 2 months now. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% alpha hydroxy acids. It's an exfoliant. So this is meant to only be used on the body for like any bumpy areas that you have. For example, some people have really bumpy arms, bumpy back, like I break out, I get sun rashes on my chest and my forehead. I've actually been using this in the vaginal area. Not vaginal area, on the bikini area. I get the most horrible ingrown hairs and razor bumps. So I stopped shaving down there because the razor bumps were horrible, but now I get like ingrown hairs even though I do nair. I've even tried waxing. If any of you have any product recommendations for like ingrown hairs in the bikini area, let me know. This has been really helping. I feel like it's almost kind of brightened my bikini area. I actually went to a PR event for First Aid Beauty and I told one of the employees, I was like, I use it in my bikini area. She was like, be careful, it has 10% alpha AHAs. And I was like, I don't have sensitive skin at all, so I should put that disclaimer. I don't recommend all of you do that. It does even say on the bottle to do a little test, maybe like on your arm or your hand or something, because it is pretty strong. And it says that it may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and particularly to the possibility of sunburn. So you should use sunscreen. And it says a patch test is recommended for those with sensitivity. It also has glycolic and lactic acids at a combined level of 10% to help loosen skin's top layer and decongest pores. And it has pumice crystals that sloth it all away. I really like it. I don't recommend everybody using it on the bikini area. Again, do a patch test, but it's meant to not be used on the face. So this is not for your face. I almost put this on my face until I read it. Meant to be used on the body. I really like it. Highly recommend it. I will leave a link to everything down below. This is one I've been using for the last 2 or 3 months. I'll show you clips of me using this. This is the Facial Radiance AHA Intensive Peel Extra Strength. It says it resurfaces, smooths, and brightens the skin. So the way you put this on, I almost put it on with wet skin. You actually put it on your dry skin. They say to leave it on for 45 seconds to 1 minute, then you rinse with warm water. Gradually increase up to 1 to 3 minutes. Use once or twice weekly. Here's the thing, I told you guys, I should tell you, my skin type is oily, acne prone, not sensitive at all. So when I see something like this that says extra strength, being the renegade that I am, I'm like, okay, I'm not leaving it on for a minute, I'm leaving it on for 10 minutes. And I do, that's what I do. I've shown you in the clip. I leave it on for 10 minutes and my face is totally fine. Again, if you have sensitive skin, do not follow what I do. My skin is not sensitive at all. So it says that this is an exfoliant peel that helps smooth and brighten the look of skin. It's for all skin types. It helps with dullness, uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. Again, it has lactic and salicylic acid that helps to exfoliate and improve texture to skin to make it look much brighter. It has kaolin, which helps absorb the appearance of impurities and purify skin. So far, I like this. It's not super extra strength for me. I was hoping it was gonna like literally rip the top layer of my skin off. That sounds dramatic, but sometimes that's what I need. That's why I get facials so often and I get microdermabrasions, because it just gets like all the crap out of my skin. I love microdermabrasions. I think microdermabrasions, when they actually use the microderm tool, is my favorite facial, even over a chemical peel. It just literally transforms my skin. I like this. It honestly, for me, it makes my skin feel tight. I like it. it's like, it makes my skin feel tight, and I feel like it dries my skin out a little bit. So that's why it was kind of like interesting. I found it interesting that they say it's for normal and dry skin, because I wonder if you use dry skin, if this would dry you out. But again, someone who has dry skin probably wouldn't be the silly person that I am and leave it on for 10 minutes. You'd probably leave it on for 45 seconds. So if any of you have normal or dry skin and you've tried this, let me know your thoughts. I feel like I'm talking really fast. Calm down, Nikki. I'm very excited to talk about First Aid Beauty. Let me know your thoughts, but as someone with oily skin, I feel like it like dries my skin out a little bit, which I actually really like. And I feel like it makes my skin tight, and I really like that too. So 2 for 2, I'm enjoying it. I don't love everything from First Aid Beauty, but those two. Okay, next up, I used this up, I think like 6 or 7 months ago. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. I don't have it anymore because I didn't repurchase it. There's the tea. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Here's the thing. By the way, did I mention that First Aid Beauty is a clean brand at Sephora? If you didn't know, and they're cruelty free, I think, pretty sure. I don't like natural foundation. I like full coverage foundation. So anything tinted, moisturizer, BB cream, CC creams, I honestly use them as a primer. Like, that's how extra I am. I put those on first, then I put a full coverage foundation on. Like, that's how I use those. I feel like this is good. Oh my God. My allergies are slowly trying to kill me. This is good if you like tinted moisturizers, BB creams. It says it's for normal, dry, and combination skin. Oh, no wonder I didn't like it. I didn't realize it's not for oily skin. I did feel like it was too oily for me. It says the formulation is a lightweight lotion, and that's exactly how I would describe it. It says it's good for dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Well, that makes sense. I didn't realize it's not for oily skin. So I used it up completely. I wish I would have saved it and then I just recycled it, but I used it up completely, but that's how I would use it. I would put it on under my foundation, then my foundation, and I would always wonder why I would get like a little bit shinier earlier than I usually would. No matter what, I get shiny. It's just how long until I get shiny. And with this, I would get kind of shiny. So that makes sense. So if you have oily skin, I would say stay away from this one. But if you have normal, dry, or combo, I think you would like it. And you like more of a lightweight look. Or if you like to be extra, but you want a little bit more coverage, you could use it as a primer and then use it, and then use your foundation. Because it does feel really nice on the skin. I really did like the way it felt. I just didn't like the way it made my skin look. Well, hello, now I'm reading. It says 12 hours of soothing hydration. I need no more hydration with a natural finish. Like, all of those things are not things Nikki are interested in. So, oh, they are vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Interesting. So it has vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and oatmeal in it. So it's a good product. 28 bucks. I think, honestly, I think it's worth it. If you have oily skin, stay the hell away from it. Okay, sis? Okay? Now, this one is definitely not my fave. By the way, this packaging is for their 10-year anniversary. This isn't their normal packaging. I'll show you a close-up. So I don't know if you buy it in store right now, if it'll have this packaging. It might. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So same thing as I kind of mentioned with the tinted moisturizer. This just slid on my face. And then when I would put foundation on, it was just like a slick, like ice skating, like oily pizza mess. It was not good. If you have oily skin, I don't think you should try this. If you have dry or normal, I think you would really like this. It smells nice. It doesn't have like a very like synthetic smell. It's safe for sensitive skin, but just for someone who has oily skin, And it says you can wear it alone for a natural makeup look. We know I don't get down like that, but yeah. I can tell, well, I know my friends that have dry skin really like this. A lot of people really like this. I just think if you have oily skin, you still need, I should always say that with the caveat, you still need to moisturize, right, if you have oily skin. Because if you don't, then your skin's gonna overcompensate, produce more oil because it needs hydration. You still need to moisturize. But I am the kind of person that I don't need to use super hydrating products and moisturize because I have a lot of natural hydration, but just something to keep in mind. I like it for other people, just not for moi. This is another one I've used up and I'm actually gonna repurchase on the Sephora sale. I think by the time you're watching this, the Sephora sale is still happening, so you can get 15 to 20% off right now at Sephora if you want to pick this up. This is the Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. I love this serum. It's good for all skin types. It's a water-based serum that gives skin its natural daily dose of moisture for soft, smooth, youthful skin. It's good for dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. I use this every night. I think it lasted me for like a month. Actually, I think I used it morning and night because it only lasted me a month. I really like this. It's just lightweight. It gave my skin moisture because I told you, even though you have oily skin, you need to give your skin moisture. But it just felt like it didn't clog my pores. It didn't feel very heavy. And it just made my skin feel moisturized without feeling oily. I really like it. And that's hard for me to find, a moisturizer that makes me feel moisturized without feeling like oily and weighed down. And I really like it. It has hyaluronic acid. I can't say that. Hyaluronic acid for moisture, which helps to hydrate, plump, and nurture. Peptides that help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, that's another thing. I would use it around my under eye area, which some serums you're not supposed to, but I do anyways. And I really did notice it minimized that appearance using it consistently. I'm starting to get fine lines. I'm like, where are they coming from? Every day I turn around and I'm like doing my under eye makeup. I'm like, oh God. It's a blessing, right? That means I'm alive. Another one, it has aloe leaf juice that can help calm and soothe irritated skin. That's like the overarching theme for me for First Aid Beauty. I should have said in the intro. I feel like, I always say this, they're like a no fuss brand. It's just quality ingredients that sensitive skin types can use. There's not a lot of synthetic smells, you know, like, hate to call out some brands, but like Lancome, I love the smells of their products. Like they put a lot of scented synthetic smells in their skincare products. I don't mind it, but I know some people don't, and it's really not necessary. I feel like First Aid Beauty doesn't do that. It's just good quality stuff. Not every product works for me, but I could see who it would work for. Like that's what I like to do in these review videos. I'm not ever trying to trash a brand or be like, oh, their stuff is crap, or this doesn't work for me and this is why I hate it. Even though it doesn't work for me, it might work for you, right? Not everybody has oily prone, acne prone, textured skin. Some people have normal skin and dry skin. So yeah, I really do like this serum. Check out the reviews online on Sephora. It has 553 reviews because people love it. Next up, face cleanser. This is probably like the 5th one I've had. This is the Pure Skin Facial Cleanser. It says removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. What does it have in it? Water, coconut acid, glycerin, aloe, licorice extract. Interesting. So I've used this a while. Here's the thing, it's not my favorite facial cleanser. If I use this and let's say I have this full face of makeup on, I need to go in and do other steps. Does that make sense? Like this isn't a one-step thing for me, but I wear a crap ton of makeup. Like I have 5 pounds of makeup on right now. On more natural days, this will take everything off. And for me, I feel like it's a little stripping. Does that make sense? I feel like it kind of strips my skin of my natural oils, so then I have to really hydrate after this. I wonder if that happens to anyone else. If any of you have tried this cleanser, let me know. So it's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. I tend to use it on days where I have on lighter makeup and I feel like my skin was really oily because I feel like it kind of strips my skin of those oils. Strip is such a negative word. Is that what I'm trying to say? I feel like it dries me out a little bit. But it says it's safe for sensitive skin, so I don't know if that's just my skin. If any of you have tried this, let me know in the comments down below. What are your thoughts? It's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. Does that make sense? This is my favorite. This is the Ultra Repair Lip Therapy Repair for Dry Lips. You guys, you will see in the clip of me applying this on my lips, I am literally like fighting this thing to get every last drop out. I'm going to repurchase it today. I love this stuff. If you have dry lips, I always tell you guys I have dry lips. Some of you were like, you need to drink more water, you're dehydrated. I drink 10 glasses of water a day. No exaggeration. 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. I'm not dehydrated. And it's petroleum free. I didn't even realize that. I just have naturally dry lips. This stuff is amazing. It will moisturize your lips for hours. It feels so nice on the skin. It has a very, very faint scent of like mint. A little faint, not very strong. I love this stuff. Oh, I didn't even realize it has root extract. It has hyaluronic acid. I love this stuff. Oh, it has some kind of butter. Chimney seed? Wow. There's lots of oils in it. No wonder why I love it. It's thick, but it's not oily and it's just moisturizing. I love this stuff. This has become one of my favorite lip balms right now. Hands down, highly recommend. I don't know how long this video is, so let me talk to you about some of the products that I've used that I don't have anymore, because they do have an acne line that's really good. It's the one with the red label. I tried the Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser with red clay. I did like that. I'm trying to think. You know what? I liked that better than this one. If you have oily skin and acne prone skin, I think you would really like that. It says it's good for all skin types, but it helps with oiliness, blemishes, and pores. I really like that. I prefer that over this one. I say if you have normal dry skin without acne, you don't wear a lot of makeup, you'd probably like the Pure Skin one. But if you have oily, acne prone skin, then the Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser with red clay, that is the way to go for you. What else did I use? Oh, I also used the Skin Rescue Red Clay Mask. I did like that one. I would use it on my nose and my T-zone because that's where I get the most oily, and I felt like it really helped with my oiliness. It says it's good for oiliness, pores, and blemishes, and it also helped to kind of shrink my pores. I don't have those anymore because I used them up. I'm going to repurchase a lot of stuff because it is the Sephora sale. If you haven't seen the video with me talking about the surprise Sephora sale, link down below. These two babies I've been using for a while, over a year. So first we have the Facial Radiance pads. I don't want to open this. I'll put a picture of it on the screen because I'm actually giving this to one of my friends because that's how much I love it. It helps to exfoliate, tone, and brighten, and they're just pads that you can use. I like to use them on my forehead. I use them after the gym. Anywhere I need to exfoliate, my nose. It's just really good at exfoliating without being like a physical exfoliant, and it has hyaluronic acid. It has citrus lemon peel extract. You see what I'm saying? Like good quality stuff. Cucumber fruit extract, lactic acid, glycolic acid, like lots of acids that'll exfoliate the skin, moisturize the skin without being a physical exfoliant. Oh my God, I'm so sorry guys. My allergies want me dead. I love these. Love them, recommend them, link down below. Ultra Repair Cream. I kind of feel indifferent about this. It's a good quality, like no muss, no fuss cream. And it says it's intense hydration. It says it helps hydrate dry, parched skin. It was just kind of for me. It's not bad. It's not my favorite. It says it temporarily helps to relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. I keep using it, so I know I don't dislike it. This is probably like my 5th tub, but I just know it's not my favorite. It has no parabens, harsh chemicals, or colorants. And it has eucalyptus oil in it, oatmeal, ceramides. So this is one of their most popular products. If you love this, can you tell us why? I don't love it and I don't hate it. So let me know your thoughts on it down below. Let me know some of your favorite First Aid Beauty products down below, or have you tried First Aid Beauty? Have you not? Are you going to try it? Let me know. Check out the one brand review I did on Caudalie of all of my favorites and hated. Check it out right here.